Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's practice is going to be a quick practice for you to do anytime to get the energy moving and to get you set off in the right direction. We're going to begin in a seated position, landing, closing down the eyes or lowering your gaze. Relax your shoulders. Relax down through the chest, relax and release through the hips and the thighs, allowing yourself to feel really grounded and rooted. And we'll take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale, beginning some gentle neck circles. Goes 3 times one way and 3 times the other. Beautiful, my friend. Right hand down on the mat. Inhale your left arm up and we'll come to a gentle side bend. No need to force anything here. We're just getting warmed up. Hold for one more deep breath. And exhale, windmill your fingers over to the other side. Come to a side bend on your other side. Hold for a deep breath in and exhale. Let's lift both our hands up, wiggle your fingers, wake up your fingers, and then bring the hands together. Slide them down the midline, bring thumbs into sternum, elbows wide, tuck chin to chest, nice deep breath in. And out. Clasp your hands together and roll out your wrists. Moving one way and the other. Shake out your hands and we'll come into our tabletop. Bringing your wrists under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, come into your cow pose, drop your belly. Exhale, round to cat. Following your breath here. Warming up the spine, doing great. And finding a neutral spine, tuck the toes, send the hips up and back. Let's pedal out our downward dog. Pedaling the feet, maybe taking big bends in your knees. And then finding stillness, reaching those hip points up, allowing the head to drop down. Relaxing your chest through your shoulders. We'll take 3 deep breaths here. Ripple forward, find high plank. And exhale down all the way to the belly. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale up. Find your cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's do that 2 more times. Ripple forward. Find high plank. Lower down. Inhaling up. Tuck the toes. Send the hips back. And 1 more time. Ripple forward. Come on down. Inhaling up. Tuck toes, downward facing dog. And rest here. That probably really got the energy moving. We'll take 1 more deep breath here. And see if you can take 2 big steps to the back of your hands. Find your forward fold. Relax the chest down, bend the knees as much as you need to plant the hands firmly on the ground, and exhale all the breath out. Begin to straighten the legs and watch what happens to your hands. Maybe they come completely off the mat, maybe your fingertips touch, and then gently bend. Feeling that connection of the palms as they lift, as the whole body responds. Maybe even going a little deeper in your bend just to feel it out. Let's do that 2 more times. And relax down fully. Root to rise here. Push down through the soles of your feet as you slowly roll up. Inhale, circle sweep your arms. Gaze comes up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Anjali Mudra at the heart. Tuck chin to chest. Allow your shoulders to relax. Hips relax. Let the energy move down to the soles of your feet. Let's come to step wide on the mat. Inhale your arms up. Come into this starfish position. Gaze up. Roll your shoulders back. And then bring hands to the heart. Pivot the right foot to the short edge of the mat and sink the right knee down so it comes over the right ankle, and open up into your warrior 2. Gaze over your right fingertips. Hold for a breath here. And exhale, bring hands to heart. Pivot your feet. Left foot goes short edge of the mat. Inhale out. Find warrior 2. Deep breath in. Come back through center. One more time, each side. Back through center. And over to the left. And back through center. Bring your heels in, toes point out. Drop your hips down, bend your knees, coming into goddess. Open your arms out. Bring your right forearm over to your right leg. Find your side bend. Deep breath in here as you swing your fingertips over to the left side. Deep breath in here. One more time each side. And then straighten the legs, come up through center. Heel toe your feet together, step to the top of the mat. Inhale to circle sweep your hands up, palms together, forward fold. Inhale up, find half lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank. Hold for a deep breath in. Come onto your toes, exhale, slowly lower, as slow as you can. Coming onto your belly. Hands beside your chest. Inhale up to cobra. And exhale, push your hips all the way back. Find child's pose. Inhale, and coming to a seated position. And we're gonna end with a gentle meditation. Feel free to come down into Shavasana if that would serve you. Or if you'd like to stay up in a seated position with me, we can take Gyan Mudra, index finger under thumb. Sit up nice and tall. come to the breath. Take a nice deep breath in, cleansing breath out, making your way up to seated, flickering your eyes open if you were in a seated meditation. Thank you so much for sharing your time, energy, and practice with me today. If you have enjoyed this practice and you would like more, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please like the video and share with a friend. Take sweet care. Bye.